I'm Jennifer Gilbert Jenkins, and today out in the field we're looking at the sex of the plants. This is a hemp for grain field. It's actually a nitrogen rate trial to look and see how different fertility rates changes the amount of grain you can produce. One of the things we need to look at are how many male, female, or hermaphroditic plants there are out in the field, because it's the female plants that the grain grows on. So the job of the male plants is to pollinate the female plants, and then they die. So if you have a field that is 50% male and 50% female, then you're actually only getting a yield off of half of the crop that's in the field. So we go out and are seeing how many of the plants are males, how many are female, and how many hermaphroditic have both male and female flowers on them, so that we can look and see or predict how much of the crop will still be standing at time of harvest. And the different varieties of hemp are bred to have different amounts of male, female, and hermaphroditic plants. And so this is just a way of us being able to verify what's claimed about these plants. Right now, we're just monitoring plant growth, and we're going to continue to monitor plant growth. And we're now waiting for that transition from the vegetative into the reproductive stage, and to start watching the grain production. And we'll continue monitoring height of the plant as well as size of the seed head that grows, to see how our nitrogen rates are impacting the amount of grain that we can produce.